The mesh cable tray welding machine is a fully automated system for high-volume production of grid-type cable trays. Integrating servo motors and programmed controls, it automates the entire welding process, ensuring dimensional accuracy and consistent quality. It delivers high-strength welds at every wire intersection, producing robust, uniform trays capable of supporting heavy loads in industrial settings. This efficient system boosts production capacity, reduces labor and waste, and is essential for providing cost-effective cable management solutions for data centers, plants, and infrastructure projects.